something we all experience at some point. Communication breakdown. So let me ask you this. What exactly is a communication breakdown? Can someone explain it in a simple way?
Communication breakdown happens when two people fail to understand each other during a conversation. This could be because of noise, fast talking, or even different perspective that cause confusion.
Can somebody give me a specific example when this usually happens? Maybe something from our CLA5 activity.
During our CLA5 group discussion, the video was kind of fast and there was a bit of lag audio. But even with that, we still managed to understand each other. Still, it shows how easy it is to misinterpret something if we're not fully listened or the message isn't clear.
Exactly. So now, the big question is, how can we avoid communication breakdown? Any tips?
One thing I'd say is listen with focus, like really pay attention and don't just hear the words. If sometimes unclear, just ask nicely instead of pretending understood.
Good point. Anything else to add?
Yup, speak with empathy and be open-minded. Show patience and respect when others talk and avoid judging their opinions. Basically reflect Christ's love and be kind in our conversation.
Thank you for that, Mr. Antigro. Having a clear explanation, honesty, and respectful communication is a key to avoid communication breakdown. Thanks, guys. Hopefully, we all remember to listen better and speak from the heart.